In previous video we have talked about salicylic acid for skin, but salicylic acid can be beneficial for hair, particularly for scalp health. Now I'll tell you one by one, and will also tell you how to use this. And if you want to watch that video, kindly check on the link in the description. Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my channel. I make videos related to makeup, beauty, skincare, travel, cooking, and also daily vlogs. So do consider subscribing if you are interested in any of them. This video is basically the part 2 of my first video. वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो रही थी, इसलिए मैंने स्किन केयर फर्स्ट में किया और हेयर केयर सेकंड में बनाया. The first benefit is salicylic acid gently exfoliates the scalp by dissolving dead skin cells and removing sebum buildup, which can prevent dandruff and flakiness. Second benefit is addressing the buildup of dead skin cells and excess oil. Salicylic acid can help reduce dandruff and itching associated with scalp condition. Third benefit is it helps to unclog hair follicles and pores on the scalp, improving overall scalp health and reducing the risk of folliculitis or other scalp conditions. Fourth benefit is salicylic acid can help regulate sebum production on the scalp, which may benefit those with oily scalp conditions like mine and contribute to a more balanced scalp environment. Fifth benefit is it has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe an irritated or inflamed scalp, potentially providing relief from conditions like psoriasis and dermatitis. Last but not the least, by exfoliating the scalp and removing the excess buildup, salicylic acid can enhance the effectiveness of other hair care products such as conditioner and other treatments. Now I'll tell you how to use this. I am using a discarded bottle, like I have to discard this, so I'm using it just for demo purpose. I basically use smaller than this. I have another spray bottle. So first you have to take a spray bottle. Take 20 to 30 ml of water. Add this in spray bottle. I am using drinking water. You can also use rose water in this. Add 5 drops of salicylic acid if you have very dry scalp. If you have very oily scalp like mine, add 10 drops. Shake it very well. Apply this solution on your scalp. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that, because this is drying in nature. Then wash it off with your normal shampoo. I usually do once in a week. Try this and trust me, you will see great results. There is a little disclaimer I want to give here, that salicylic acid is so drying in nature, so it's important to follow instructions and not overuse, as excessive can lead to dryness or irritation. This is for both skin and hair. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the next video. If you are interested, you can watch previous videos, which is salicylic acid for skin. Thank you so much. Bye.